Hi guys, it's Oliver and welcome back to the Slime Lab. So today we are going to be reviewing Squishy Bunnii. I am so excited to be reviewing Squishy Bunnii. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe down below. Leave a like or a comment. Also, I am restocked, so my Etsy link will be down below also. And if you did not know, I will be attending Matterey's Slime Bash, so I'll be wearing a Slime Lab shirt and you can come say hi to me, and it'll be so much fun. And I might be selling slime, I'm not 100% sure, but I'll tell you if I know. So without further ado, let's get into the slime video. Okay, so I took it out of the bubble mailer. Sorry. And Raul, he is Karina Garcia's fiance. He bubble wraps his slimes, and for his extras he included a Jolly Rancher, a mystery Dum Dum, and 2 different types of business cards, and I'll get into those at the end. He also includes a borax bag. Okay, so let's get into the slime. I forget what I ordered, but I'm pretty sure it says on the bottom. Oh. Okay, so yes, he does bubble wrap all his slimes. Ooh, fancy. He has shrink wrap on them. I'm pretty sure what that seal thing is called. So I ordered Mr. Bunny's Easter basket. And let's take off the plastic seal. I wanted to get these, but I just figured I could tape the containers down, and that's like easier. I mean, less expensive, but yeah. I cannot find the beginning of the seal, so I'll be back to you when I get this open. Okay, so the reason that I bought 1 slime, I usually get at least 2 for a review, is, well, this slime just grabbed my attention the second I saw it. It was so amazing, so I just thought I have to get it. Okay, so let's get into it. So at first he puts his logo sticker on it, and I really love how it has a white outline. Oh my gosh, are you seeing this gloss? Oh my gosh. Okay, so it has blue and yellow foam beads and some pink beads. It also has, ooh, it has these like Easter eggs in them. Oh, they look really cool. It has glitter came out of the slime from the Easter eggs, but I don't mind that. Oh my gosh. It smells, I can't explain the smell. It smells like cake though. It definitely smells like cake. Oh my gosh. This gloss has me shook. This is like, oh. And these glitters are so cute. It also has some fake sprinkles in it. Oh. Oh, and it has some jumbo beads in it that they use for spiked melon balls. I love that. Okay, Squishy Raul, you have me shook right now. This is literally, oh, my new favorite. Like, I know I say that for everyone, but literally, I think I'm going to be playing with this for the rest of my life. I hope you bring this back next year because I'll be buying a new one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this slime is a super thick and glossy slime. It has a bunch of different assorted color beads, and it holds a lot of bubbles. It has glitter in it, but I'm not sure if that was intentional. I'm pretty sure that's just from the large Easter eggs that are included in the slime. It smells like birthday cake. I'm not sure if that is the actual scent, but that's what it smells like to me. And yeah. Okay guys, so I rate this slime, Mr. Bunnii's Easter Basket, a like bajillion out of 10. I know that's not a real number, but seriously, it is a 10 out of 10. This has my whole life shook. Like, I am shaking by this. I know some of you say it's cringy when I say that, but I don't care. I like, it's true though. My weave it's gone. It's in Europe. It's like, oh, so nice, guys. And I definitely recommend this one if he brings it back next year for Easter. I'm not sure if he is going to, but if he does, definitely ask him to, because it's just so nice. I also have a question for you guys. Would you like it if I did more professional reviews, like less like first reactions, like, oh my gosh, it's so thick, like slime time? Or would you like more professional reviews, like I wouldn't say, oh my gosh, I love this slime, like that, like Talissa Tasso, because I like her videos and slime time's videos, but I'm not sure what you guys would prefer, so just comment down below or vote in the poll up here. Also, if you guys happen to know Raul or Karina, tell them about my review, because I want them to see it, and I don't know, I like when the slime shop sees the review. I don't know, it just makes my day to help them have a better rating. So yeah, but you don't have to do that at all. It's okay. Also, I've gotten many comments saying I should change my background to like a rainbow or something. Would you guys like a color background or just a plain white one? Because I like the plain white, but I don't know if everyone likes that. Also, I don't know if you've been noticing, but sort of my setup has been changing past a few videos, but I think I'm going to keep it like this. I like it how it is like high above the slime. So just tell me what you guys think, and yeah. So for extras, Raul includes a mystery dum-dum, a Jolly Rancher, a slime care business card with their logo on the back, and a thank you note, and some borax. So a rating for this shop would be a 10 out of 10. Their slimes are so amazing, so nice, super thick and glossy, and they're just slaying my world. So I will link them down below, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to vote in my polls and vote down below what I said. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, leave a like, and don't forget that I'm going to Slime Bash, so I'll see you there if you're going. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and my shop is so stocked, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and bye!